What's up everybody, Blender Quick Tip here. Going to show you an ultra simple trick for beginners on creating rain in Blender. First, make sure you have import images as planes enabled in your add-ons, and also make sure you have Node Wrangler enabled. After that, we're going to import our image plane. I've provided a free rain texture below, feel free to use your own. I made a cartoony one, but this would work for real rain as well, just make sure it's tileable. I have a tutorial on tileable textures if you need one. Now head over to the shader. I chose to make mine a flatless shader, but you can skip that step if you want lighting to affect your rain. Select your image texture and press Ctrl T to give your image texture this mapping setup. After that, head over to the mapping node and insert a keyframe into the Y location. Move forward in your timeline and type 1. This will give us one full loop, and make sure your image texture is set to repeat. It should be clipped by default, which won't work. Head over to the graph editor, select your texture mapping keyframes, press T and select linear. After that, add a cycle modifier so that it loops. Congratulations, you made rain. But let's look at how we can improve this effect. You can see here how I used it in my scene. I actually added some subdivisions to my rain here and added a curve, then I placed multiple layers within my scene. Of course, the rain isn't actually 3D, so it may break if you're trying to fly through it with the camera. The way I found to fix this is by adding a tiny bit of depth of field. You can fix that problem because it blurs as the camera passes through it. The rain splashes are just made in grease pencil, and then those objects are duplicated around my scene. This scene is from my Skillshare course. If you'd like to learn how to create it, link is in the description below. As usual, thanks for watching, and tag me in your creations on Instagram.